Last week, Microsoft started rolling out Microsoft Lists. What is Microsoft Lists? Microsoft Lists are a new product from Microsoft to make it easy to create lists in Microsoft Teams. Spoiler alert, Microsoft Lists are really just SharePoint lists with fully featured templates that you can tweak to suit your needs. The requirements for Microsoft Lists shouldn't be surprising either, since you need SharePoint and Teams to use it. You need a Microsoft 365 Business Basic or Office 365 Business Essentials license to use it, aka these are the $5 per user per month license or greater. Before Microsoft Lists, if you wanted to create a new list in SharePoint, you clicked on New List, you are prompted to give it a name and then presented with a list with just a title column. Everything else is up to you to create and develop, which in a lot of cases could be a daunting task. If you're thinking to yourself, I just need a simple list to accomplish X, Y, or Z task, what's going to be faster? If you're familiar with SharePoint or you want the cloud aspect of it, you may muddle through it or ask IT for help. If you're not familiar with SharePoint, then you're going to open up Excel and start creating a spreadsheet. And then hopefully you're going to store that spreadsheet in the impacted Microsoft Teams and not in a file server. Now with Microsoft Lists, the process is a lot simpler. In Microsoft Teams, go to the team and channel you want to store your list in. Click the plus sign to add a new tab to the channel. Then select lists from your available options. First, you must choose a template or import options. You pick the template that most closely matches the type of list you need. You can preview each template to see which one has the columns and formatting you need. After you've picked your template, give the list a name and you're done. Second spoiler alert, if you didn't already know, Microsoft Teams is based off of SharePoint as well. In this case, it's a good thing because all the automation and notification options through Power Automate are all ready to go out of the box with Microsoft Lists through the SharePoint component. This could be for alerting users when items are created or automatically updating list items based on other events and so on. If you're already using a SharePoint list within Teams, then you do have the option to convert it to a Microsoft list. Furthermore, the Microsoft List templates have some of Microsoft's JSON formatting built in as well, so you don't have to become a JSON expert to make the list look better or more dynamic. The current downsides of Microsoft Lists are the new templates are only available if you create or import a list from Microsoft Teams. If you go to the underlying SharePoint site for your Microsoft Teams team and create a new list, you will be presented with the standard SharePoint list wizard. To be clear, if you create a new Microsoft list in Teams and then go to SharePoint Online to view it, all of the benefits of Microsoft Lists will carry through to SharePoint Online. So when in doubt, just start with Microsoft Teams and move forward from there instead of trying to use SharePoint Online, even though they're all the same service. I've heard early rollout plans from the MS IT Pros podcast and others that say that this is just step one for Microsoft Lists. In the future, Microsoft Lists will grow to help combine Lists, Planner, To-Do, and Outlook tasks under some yet-to-be-determined umbrella product. As we see from the Microsoft 365 roadmap, there is a lot of SharePoint and Microsoft List development in the near future. What do you guys think about Microsoft Lists? Leave your thoughts on Microsoft Lists, comments about this video, or suggestions for future videos in the comments section below. Otherwise, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are alerted for when I release new videos. If you'd like to follow me on social media, go to @TDSheridanLab on Facebook or Twitter, or at my website at tdsheridanlab.com. Links are in the description. Have a good one.